TrakMotive installs seem pretty straightforward until the test drive brings a customer right back with noise or vibration. Most of the time, it's not the part. It's something simple that got missed during install. Here are some of the most common issues we see. Number 1, misalignment. If the shaft isn't clocked properly on the yoke or flange, it can throw off balance and cause vibration. Always line it up with the marks or match the OE orientation. Next is improper torque. Over-tightening bolts can distort flanges or damage joints, and under-tightening, you risk movement or can even cause a safety issue. Always clean up mating surfaces. Rust, debris, and leftover sealant cause alignment issues or preload stress, especially on slip joints. If you're working on a two-piece shaft, double check the carrier bearing alignment. A small change in the final angle can lead to big noise under load. And don't forget to replace worn or damaged hardware. Torque everything with the vehicle on the ground and finish checking by rotating the shaft by hand before the road test. Everybody wins if you take a few extra minutes at install before handing back the keys. If you've checked the torque specs, verified a smooth rotation, done a quick test drive, you'll save hours in rework. A solid install, the right part, and no surprises on the road, just the way it should be.